German Shepherds, a guide to puppy socialization and early training. German Shepherds are one of the most loyal and intelligent dog breeds. Known for their versatility, they excel in various roles, including search and rescue, police work, and as family pets. However, to ensure that your German Shepherd grows up to be a well-behaved and well-rounded dog, proper socialization and early training are crucial. In this guide, we will delve into the importance of puppy socialization and provide some tips for effective training. Why is puppy socialization important? Puppy socialization refers to the process of exposing your German Shepherd puppy to a wide range of people, animals, sounds, and environments during their early development stages. This is essential as it helps them become comfortable and confident in different situations, reducing the likelihood of behavioral issues and fearfulness later in life. The critical period for puppy socialization is between 3 and 14 weeks of age. During this time, your German Shepherd absorbs information like a sponge and is more open to new experiences. It is crucial to expose them to positive interactions and provide them with positive associations during this period. Tips for effective puppy socialization. 1. Start early. Begin socializing your German Shepherd puppy as soon as possible. The earlier you start, the better the results will be. Introduce them to various sounds, objects, and people gently. 2. Positive experiences. Ensure that all interactions are positive for your puppy. Use treats, praise, and rewards to reinforce positive behavior. Avoid exposing them to overwhelming situations or negative experiences. 3. Expose them to different environments. Take your German Shepherd puppy to different places such as parks, shopping centers, and beaches. This will help them become accustomed to new sights, smells, and sounds. Gradually increase the level of difficulty to help them adapt to various environments. For socialize with different people and animals, expose your German Shepherd puppy to a variety of people, including different ages, genders, and ethnicities. Similarly, provide controlled interactions with other puppies and well-behaved adult dogs. This will help them develop good social skills and be comfortable around different individuals. 5. Train basic commands. Alongside socialization, start training your German Shepherd puppy with basic commands, such as sit, stay, and come. This will help establish a foundation for obedience and make future training more manageable. The importance of early training. In addition to socialization, early training plays a vital role in shaping your German Shepherd's behavior and ensuring they grow up to be well-behaved and obedient. Training should begin as soon as you bring your puppy home, usually around 8 to 10 weeks of age. Early training helps establish a strong bond between you and your German Shepherd puppy and sets the groundwork for future learning. It teaches them boundaries, acceptable behavior, and builds their confidence. Tips for effective early training. 1. Consistency is key. Be consistent with your training methods and expectations. Use positive reinforcement techniques such as treats, praise, and rewards to encourage desired behavior. Consistency will help your puppy understand what is expected of them. 2. Start with basic commands. Begin training with basic commands such as sit, stay, down, and come. Mastering these commands will enable you to communicate effectively with your German Shepherd and lay the foundation for more advanced training. 3. Be patient and positive. Training takes time and patience. Remember to keep your training sessions short and fun to maintain your puppy's enthusiasm. Always end on a positive note to reinforce their learning experience. For enroll in puppy classes are a great way to socialize your German Shepherd while receiving professional guidance and training. These classes provide a supervised and controlled environment for your puppy to interact with other dogs and reinforce their training. 5. Avoid punishment. Never use harsh punishment or physical force during training. German Shepherds respond best to positive reinforcement training methods. Punishment can lead to fear, aggression, and a breakdown in trust between you and your puppy. By prioritizing puppy socialization and early training, you are setting your German Shepherd up for success. Remember, every dog is unique, and some may require more time and effort than others. Be patient, consistent, and provide a loving environment for your German Shepherd to flourish into a well-rounded and obedient companion.